Hello, Peterson Goodwin from DIY Recording Equipment here with a little tour of our EQP5 500 series passive EQ. It's a single slot mono EQ based on the Pultec EQP1A3. So the Pultecs are famous for being incredibly broad musical EQs that you just can't make them sound bad, and they just seem to make everything sound good. You can turn the high frequency boost all the way up and get all the air in the world and it's still not harsh, that kind of thing. So ours follows the 1A3 in having high frequency cut and boost and low frequency cut and boost. The high frequency cut, we've given you two frequency selections for all of these, 20K and 10K on the high cut, 16K and 10K on the high boost, and 30 and 60 hertz respectively for both the boost and cut on the low frequencies. So hewing very close to the original design here, including the kind of inductor EQ that Pultecs are known for. And now the other half of what makes Pultec so great, besides just the way the filters work, is the makeup gain. So a little bit about passive EQs backing up. Since they're passive, they can only attenuate in the filter sections. There's no real boosting in the filters. What happens is there's different amounts of attenuation based on frequency, and then at the end, all the makeup gain is given via this makeup gain amplifier. Now, Pultecs are famous for their tube makeup gain amplifiers, but they also made some really excellent solid state models with an API 2520 discrete op amp and a console style balanced output transformer like this. Not many people know this, but these were really excellent solid state units. And ours in particular is based on the EQP5 1A3 SS. So these model numbers keep getting longer. The SS for solid state, and we've basically put that tone here for you so you can get a really faithful recreation of that Pultec solid state sound. What we've also given you, however, is the option to opt out of that tone for a totally transparent signal path using this solderless jumper here. So you can use those Pultec filters with their broad curves and everything without the vintage tone. That's something that sounds really great for mastering and mix buses. And speaking of, we have 21 detent stepped potentiometers here, which makes stereo matching and recall really a breeze. So that is the EQP5 in a nutshell. We sell it as a DIY kit or fully assembled. That's the EQP5. Thanks.